What is up, you guys? Welcome back for another commute on this foggy morning. Let's get into it. Sounds so good. Smells so good too, honestly. Alright. Well, I would say to enjoy the views, but it's really foggy this morning. You can't see anything. That's crazy. I know you guys just like watching the back roads for the most part, so let's get straight to it. See you guys there. Just like that, we're still looking pretty ominous. This fog is just not letting up. It's kind of wild, actually. Normally it's not this bad. Probably going to speak too soon, but at least it's not collecting on my visor like it normally does. Usually when it's this dense, I have to treat it like rain. And you kind of turn your head left and right to get the water droplets to beat off. It's amazing what a proper chain tightening will do, too. I lubed and tightened the chain this morning before I left for work, and it's just so much more responsive. Feels... And the quick shifter, man. Woo! It's on point. I just hope one of these cars doesn't take the back road. I really love taking my regular route. The bike said it was 57 this morning, so I'm in my summer attire. It's supposed to be 85 this afternoon. Yes. Just gotta be a little careful because it is foggy. It's not like the roads are completely dry. Lots of poop. Try to be quiet near these houses. It's a little difficult though, because I just want to gas it everywhere. We're cruising at a good pace too. It loves the colder air. I know sometimes it feels like it runs warm or runs better in the warmer air, but man, shoo! I gotta be tamed through here. You gotta forgive me. I like wheeling this, but these people live right here, and I am kind of courteous. Kind of. I won't do it every morning. That's my courtesy. So far, other than the fog, oh my gosh, what a perfect morning. I don't want to speak too soon. Hopefully, it's not foreshadowing. It was so much fun. Woo! Fun section. I don't even want to say how fast that was that I pulled up into a wheelie, but that was probably one of the fastest wheelies I pulled, for sure. Whoa, look at that fog. That's so cool. This fog is so weird this morning. Gotta watch all the wet spots. Kind of sketchy. I did speak too soon. The fog gets so thick it just collects all over and has to go away, but that usually works really. It actually has been working pretty well. I think we may detour to the highway. Hold on, let me check my official time here. Can't see. Hopefully you guys aren't too watered up. The GoPro gets some water on the lens sometimes. My pants, I think, oh yeah, my pants are getting soaked because of this fog. This is ridiculous. Okay, well, I'm not going the highway because that person is. What the heck? So foggy. My pants are gonna be soaked. They are soaked. It's amazing what a difference fog makes on a motorcycle versus in a car. Because in a car, I'd be cruising through this, not even a care in the world. On bikes, it's kind of wild the difference it makes. I'll probably make this a little bonus video for you guys, like a second video a week kind of thing, instead of, I've been doing one a week, but when they're shorter like this, I don't think that I want to wait all week just to give you guys a, however long this is. It'll be less than normal, that's for sure. Dang, you hear that pop? It's like I'm kind of wet. Oh, dude. Oh my. You had fun time, dude. You had all the time in the world to make that turn. I totally think someone hit this bridge, because look at the sign, and look at the bridge there. That did not have those marks. I'm pretty sure that's why they put that sign there, because someone was a dingus and didn't check their height. I'm going to try to get a daily event here for you guys. We're going to do an uphill. We gotta get gas before work. We're doing it at the end of the video now. $93, as always. We've got 70 miles in this tank. Let's see how bad the mileage actually was. Oh my gosh. 3 gallons. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure we're at 70 miles. 73 miles, 3 gallons. That is ugly gas mileage. We're just gonna reset it, ignore it, and go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you on the next one.